Hello everyone. एक दो दिन पहले I was taking a webinar of Exergic students where something important came to my mind. Means they were asking me questions, I was replying to their query. और उसमें एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया जिसका I thought I should share the discussion with all of you, which is going to be very important for all of you. जैसा आपने टाइटल में थंबनेल में देखा होगा कि you must not miss this point. Those of you who are aware with gate pattern from last many years, you might be knowing कि initially gate में questions sequence में आते थे. 1 mark question and 2 marks question used to come in sequence. But I think from 2021 they started jumbling up the questions. Means 1 mark 2 marks question will be mixed, jumbled together. You will not be able to see segregation of कि एक साथ एक के बाद एक 1 mark question आ रहे हैं and then 2 marks question. So ऐसा stop हो गया 2021 onwards. So for next 2-3 years questions came jumbled up, mix है. 1 mark आ रहा है, फिर 2 marks के आ गया, फिर next 1 mark आ गया, फिर next 2 mark आ गया, like this. But in 2024 questions were again asked in sequence. That 1 mark question एक साथ, फिर 2 marks question. Now what's going to happen in 2025? Different theories हैं. If we go by what happened in 2024, then it should come in sequence, but there is no guarantee as such. It can be jumbled again. So why am I telling all this to you just before 2025 exam? Because this thing came to my mind when I was answering the query of Exergic student that you should be prepared for both the scenarios. Means it is perfect that you have made some plan ki I'll attend 1 mark question first and then I'll move to 2 mark question or vice versa. But if that does not happen, if questions are jumbled up, then you don't have to panic. ये एक important point you should keep in your mind that there is no guarantee. You should be prepared for this while entering exam hall. क्योंकि वहाँ पे अचानक से आप जाओगे and you will see if questions are jumbled up, you will start panicking, which is very bad for your confidence and accuracy. So be ready for both the scenarios. Now, many of you, what you do, you link the difficulty level of a question with its mark. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? It means that some of you may think कि 1 mark questions are easy और 1 mark questions are tricky, जो भी आपके mind में होगा, और 2 marks questions are difficult or 2 marks questions are easy, whatever. It can be a bias in your mind. But let me tell you, if you have analyzed questions properly of GATE previous year, you would be knowing that there is no such guarantee. Even 1 mark question can be very tricky and conceptual, and 2 marks question also can be very simple, process driven and easy. So do not attach in your mind anything related to the difficulty with the marks. And that is why I'll ask you कि even if some of you have planned कि मैं 1 mark करूँगा और 2 marks करूँगा, or even if some of you have planned कि वो जंबल आने वाला है and I'll do one after the other, make sure not to do this. Make sure not to look at the marks and attach the difficulty level of the question with the marks कि अरे ये तो easily solve हो गया, it looks like 2 marks question, नहीं कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, है ना? ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. You trust your concepts, अच्छे से question पढ़ो, अच्छे से solve करो. Don't look at the marks and try to relate the easy or difficulty level of the question with the marks. You will just confuse yourself and you will just waste your time. And this also means that if questions are jumbled up, don't bother at all. Marks को देखो ही मत यार. So many things you have to focus, right? You have to read the question carefully. You have to write the data carefully. You have to solve accurately. You have to use virtual calculator. You have to look at the units. You have to make sure that you are not doing rounding off error. If question is asking you to round off to 1 place of decimal or round off to integer, you have to do that. In all of this, why do you want to add one more layer of useless thing which is mark? कि नहीं marks 1 है या 2 है, उस हिसाब से मैं solve करूँगा. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. So that is why I am telling you, even if questions are jumbled up, don't worry. Stop looking at the marks. I have already talked about कि क्या आपको sequence use करना है. साइकिल में जाना है, एक साइकिल में मार्क फॉर रिव्यू करना है, then come back again for the second cycle, right? उसका वीडियो I'll link somewhere in the video or description or comment. So you watch that video just in case if you haven't. So उस केस में you should be ready for both the scenarios, even if questions are arranged, even if questions are jumbled up. So this was the first point that I wanted to share. Second point is the usual point. It is something which I have already talked about in many of my previous videos, that you have worked hard, you have given so much of time, dedication and effort in last many months and years to GATE, and the concepts and the learning that you should trust on your hard work now. इतने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए, नोट्स बनाए, कंप्लीटेड द सिलेबस, यू हैव डन लॉट्स ऑफ रिवीजन, टेस्ट दिए हैं इतने सारे. सो यू जस्ट ट्रस्ट ऑन योर जर्नी, trust on your hard work, have confidence. You don't have to enter in the exam hall like a loser. You don't have to enter exam hall as if आप पैनिक कर रहे हो, एकदम डरे हुए हो कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, मेरी लाइफ खराब हो जाएगी. All these negativity, negative thoughts, lack of confidence, stop. This is not the time. अगले कुछ घंटे till you enter the exam hall, in the exam hall you have to stay in the positive mindset. You have to think about what can go right. You have to stop thinking about what can go wrong. 100 things can go wrong with life, with health, with anything. So does it mean that we will stop living our life and stop living in fear? नहीं ना. In your life do you do that? कि कब earthquake आ जाएगा, कब flood आ जाएगा, anything can happen, right? You don't keep thinking about all those sort of things what can go wrong. If you do that, you will not be able to live properly. In a very similar way, when you are preparing for exam, in the last few hours in the exam hall, if you will keep thinking about what can go wrong, it will only distract you, it will only make you lose your focus. So you have to stop doing all of this. ये ज्ञान नहीं है, I am telling you with logic that it will divert your attention from what you need to do, which is solve question, which is to stay calm. That only will minimize your silly mistakes by a lot without learning any new concept. बस अगर आप अपने नेगेटिव इमोशंस को नहीं आने देते हो, यू कंट्रोल योर इमोशन, दैट थिंग अलोन विल बूस्ट योर मार्क्स बाय मिनिमाइजिंग योर सिली मिस्टेक्स. So this is another thing which you should obviously remember, that you should stay calm, stop thinking about क्या गलत जा सकता है. There are many opportunities यार. Those of you who want to go for higher studies other than ME, I'm sure you have opted for some second paper like XE, right, which have some opportunities in higher studies. For those of you who want to go into PSUs other than GATE, now you have many exams of PSUs as well, which have extra advantage for you. जैसे गेम खेलते हो ना, लाइफ 2-3 लाइफ होती हैं, एक बार मर गए फिर से सेकेंड लाइफ मिलती है, फिर मर गए फिर थर्ड लाइफ मिलती है. सो इन अ सिमिलर वे नाउ यू हैव मल्टीपल लाइफ्स in terms of PSUs as well, कि अगर just in case GATE उतना अच्छा नहीं गया, then you have many other exams also, right? I'll make a video, I'll show you कैसे बहुत सारे एक्सर्जी के स्टूडेंट्स जो due to whatever reason GATE में अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए, later on they cracked PSU exams. तो इसीलिए आपके पास मल्टीपल अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं इफ यू हैव वर्कड हार्ड, इफ यू हैव डन प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि योर लाइफ इज एंटायरली डिपेंडिंग, योर करियर इज एंटायरली डिपेंडिंग ऑन दोस 3 hours. ऐसा नहीं है. सो दिस इज व्हाई यू शुड कीप काम, यू शुड हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर प्रिपरेशन. एंड लास्टली, as you will come out of the exam hall, make sure to share the memory based questions with us. जो भी आपके माइंड में ध्यान होगा कि ये क्वेश्चन आया था, ऐसा आया था, and what we are going to do, we will share their solutions with you. It's a very simple way to do that. You will find the link of Telegram group in the first comment. Join that Telegram group. जैसे ही आप एग्जाम हॉल से बाहर आओगे, you start sharing questions with us, and then in next few minutes we'll quickly prepare the solutions and share with you. So that again will give you a very good idea just in a few hours that how your paper went, and accordingly you can make plan for your next few weeks and months. So make sure to join that group. Link is in the first comment, and I wish you all the best. Believe in your hard work. जो मैंने 1-2 points बताए हैं, you go through them again and make sure that you give your best. All the best.